Good morning, my dear students. Hope all are fine and safe too. So, how was your test paper? All of you did it well? Yes, I didn't mark how much marks you got. Just want to know the concept. That's why. Okay. So, some students are making the common mistake. They'll explain that question here itself, and some are didn't send me the answers. That those students who didn't send me the answers, I already marked it, and I'll call them personally. What is the reason? Okay. So I'll first of all, what I am doing is that go through your mistakes. Okay, so the second question is, so many have done it mistakes. So listen here please. 4x plus y minus z the whole square is our question, is it? Okay, so that is equal to that. What is that? X plus y plus z the whole square. Okay, so first time is what? X square. X square means what? 4x the whole square. Okay, second time is y square. So here it is y square. Then plus third time is what? Z square is it? So here minus z. So minus z the whole square you can write. Okay, then plus 2 into xy. 2 into 4x into y. Then plus 2 into y into minus z. Okay, then plus 2 into minus z into x. That is our question, answer. Okay, so while simplifying this, what is 4x the whole square means 16x square. Okay, then plus y square. Minus z the whole square is plus z square. Clear? Then plus 2 into 4 is what? 8. 8 into x into y is 8xy. Okay, 2 into y into minus z is minus 2yz. And the last term is also minus 2xz or zx you can write. Okay, this is, sorry, minus 2 not into 4x here. So, 8 minus 8xz. That is our answer. Okay, so mistake coming from this side, minus z the whole square is plus z square. Okay, that you have to kept in your mind. Then don't make it pending. Every work you have to be clear. Okay, that means if you miss this class, next class you will not understand. That's a continue. All the classes are continuation. So if you miss any one class, you didn't write. And some students, some not. One student asked me the note. Whereas I want to give the note by the PDF or like that, but I will not give that. The reason is that when you are going through the video, you can go through each and every step. But first you have to write the question and go through the answers, how I write on the board. Then pause the video. Then you have to do by yourself. After that, once again check whether your answer is right or wrong. That is a way of studying maths. If I am giving you the PDF notes, that will not be clear to you. So, teacher, what is writing? So, that is only copying you. Is it like the chemistry, that is physics, chemistry, Malayalam or like the subjects? You just copying it. You didn't understand anything. So, sorry for that. I will not give the PDF or likewise notes. If you need it, you can share with your friends. That's I will not, what I say, that I will not encourage, but if you need it, you can go through that. I will not give the PDF notes. You have to go through each and every question and then take your own time. Maybe some students take 2 hours to finish the maths note or maths work. No problem. What you have to done is, you have to be clear in that topic. That's the main reason. Okay. So, going to our topic, only one small portion is left to you. That is one exercise question. And all others are completed. And in this lesson or today we are discussing about that identity, that is the sum of the cubes and the difference of the cubes. That is not the identity but the problem based question, but you have to do that. Okay, so that is the only portion left today. So I will explain that and plus additional problems based on that. So first video is based on the sum and difference of the cubes, and the next one more video I will put, that is short, that is based on the extra questions based on these identities. Okay, that's all for this chapter. That is, today we are finishing the chapter polynomials, and the next chapter we are moving to the coordinate geometry. Okay, so please listen carefully. So we'll move to the topic. So please write down today's date and listen here. This is our first question, that is verify x cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. This is the identity you have to study. Okay. So first of all I will explain, verify, that is this is equal to this you have to prove. So for that purpose I will explain how to do this. Okay. So did anyone know the sum of the cube's identity? Just simply x plus y the whole cube. Did you know what is that? Yes. Can you explain? X plus y the whole cube will be equal to what? Yes, x cube plus 3x square y. Okay, and one more formula I will explain. Is it that x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y? Did you remember this? And while I am explaining x plus y the whole cube, two identities I will write down. First one is what? X cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square plus y cube, and that is also equal to this. I will explain. Is it? Yes. So here we are applying this identity. For reason is that you have to be in this form. The answer is of this form. For that purpose we are taking the second identity. At that time I already told to you that while doing the problems we are moving through this identity. Is it? Yes. So shall we start? Yes. We need what? X cube plus y cube. That is this one we need. Is it? So that will be equal to what? X plus y the whole cube, and I will shift this term to this side. And here plus 3xy, is it? So when it comes to this side becomes minus 3xy into x plus y. And this will not be changed. Why? Because this is one term. This full is one term. Okay, that is 3xy into x plus y is only considered as one term. So we are moving this to this side, means here positive becomes negative. But inside the bracket, no, there will not be sign change. That you have to keep in your mind. Okay. So that is will be equal to what is remaining here? X cube plus y cube. Okay. So what is this? Here x plus y the whole cube. That is x plus y into x plus y into x plus y. Here also x plus y is there. So can we take x plus y outside? Yes. So x plus y into what is left here? 3 times x plus y is there. So one time we taken outside. What is how many left? 2. That is x plus y the whole square. Here this we already put outside. So balance is what? Minus 3xy. That will be equal to what? X cube plus y cube. Clear? So we write x plus y into what is x plus y the whole square formula? X square plus 2xy plus y square. Then remaining is here minus 3xy is equal to x cube plus y cube. Hope you clear up to this. Then the remaining portion I will write here. Okay. Otherwise you didn't understand. So this can be written as, first I will write here. Okay. So x cube plus y cube will be equal to what? We got x plus y into, then here please look, x square we write, then plus 2xy minus 3xy. What is the answer? Plus 2 minus 3, that is minus xy. Then remaining here is plus y square. Okay, that is our answer. Is it? X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, so listen here, I will say one trick to learn this. Here it is x cube plus y cube. So first term is positive. X cube plus y cube is equal to x plus y. First you have write. The next one is what? Square, but 2 will not be there. That is x square minus xy. Not plus, minus xy only. 2 will not be there. So x square minus xy plus y square. So once again please say with me. X cube plus y cube will be equal to what? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. So this identity you have to be by heart. Okay. So after writing these notes, you have to put the identity in the box, because that is very very important. While doing the problems you have to be used as. The textbook also after this 2 problems are there based on this. So you have to be clear this identity. Okay. So what is that? Once again, x cube plus y cube will be equal to what? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay. Then can you guess what will be x cube minus y cube? Here sum we will be discussing, is it? Then difference, that is x cube minus y cube will be equal to what? Here positive, is it? So when it becomes here negative, what will be answer here? X minus y into, here it becomes positive, that is x square plus xy plus y square. That we are already explained. Now we are moving to that section. So hope you clear this. So please write down this much. Cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So which ID we are applying here? Do you know? Yes. X minus y the whole cube will be equal to what? X cube. Yes, minus y cube minus 3xy into x minus y. All are negative. That's okay. So that is equal to, we need what? X cube minus y cube, is it? So you have to move this portion to this side. So how can we write? X minus y the whole cube. Here it is negative. So plus 3xy into x minus y will be equal to what? X cube minus y cube. Okay, so similar way, here x minus y the whole cube, that is x minus y is multiplied 3 times. Here also x minus y is there, so you have to take it outside x minus y. So what is left here? X minus y the whole square plus 3xy. Okay, so that will be equal to what? X cube minus y cube. Clear? So that is x minus y into, while opening the bracket, x minus y the whole square is what? X square minus 2xy plus y square plus 3xy. That is plus 3xy is this we are writing here. That is equal to x cube minus y cube. Okay. So from this x minus y into x square minus 2xy plus 3xy together got plus xy plus y square will be equal to what? X cube minus y cube. So we are revising that. That is IE means that is. Okay, IE means that is x cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. So after clearing or after studying these two formulas, that is x cube plus y cube and x cube minus y cube, then only we have to go through the problems based on this. Okay, otherwise we will not understand the problems. Clear? Yes. So shall we move to the next? Yes, please write down the first question based on this. Yes, factorize the following. First question, 8x cube plus 27. Okay, while we are moving through, did you identify anything? Yes, 8 can be written as 2 cube. Okay, so 8x cube plus 27 can be written as 8 is 2 cube. Is it? 2 cube x cube can be written as 2x the whole cube. Is it? That is 2 cube x cube. Then 27 can be written as 3 cube. So sum of 2 cubes, is it? So what is x cube plus y cube? Next step you have to write the formula. X cube plus y cube will be equal to what? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Okay, so instead of x here it is 2x. Instead of y here it is 3. So you have to substitute, that is 2x the whole cube plus 3 cube will be equal to what? X instead of x it is 2x. So 2x plus instead of y it is 3 into x is 2x, is it? So 2x the whole square minus 2x into 3 plus 3 square. Okay, that is all. Replacing x by 2x and y by 3. That's all. Okay. So that is equal to what? 2x plus 3 into, this one is 4x square minus 2 into 3 is 6x plus 3 square is 9. So this will be our answer. That is 8x cube plus 27 can be written as 2x plus 3 into 4x square minus 6x plus 9. Okay, hope you clear this question. We'll move to the difference one question. Then we'll move to the next problem. Okay, so please write down this. So how will you do this question? X raised to 6 plus y raised to 6. How can we do? Any idea? Can we try? Yes. Can we write x raised to 6 in terms of cube? Yes. How can we write x raised to 6 plus y raised to 6 can be written as x square the whole cube. Is it correct or wrong? X raised to 2 into 3 is what x raised to 6. Is it? Then plus y square the whole raised to 3. That's all. Then you can easily apply. Clear? Yes. So please write down how will you write the formula. X cube plus y cube will be equal to what? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square. Every problem you have to write the identity. Okay. So that is x square the whole cube plus y square the whole cube will be equal to what? Instead of x here it is x square. Instead of y here it is y square. So how can we write x square then plus y square into x raised to x square the whole square. Don't be confused with that. Here it is x replaced by x square. So here it is x square. X square means what? X square. Instead of x we write x square and then square, one more square you have to take. Okay. Then minus x is x square. Instead of y you have to write y square. Then plus instead of y square. Then this square. That will be equal to what? X square plus y square into x raised to x square. The whole square is what? X raised to 4 minus x square y square plus y raised to 4. So this is our answer. So hope you clear these two questions. Then we will move to the difference of cubes. Okay, so please write down this question. Next one is x cube minus 125 y cube. Okay, so this how can we write this? X cube minus 125 y cube will be equal to what? X cube minus 125 is cube root of which number? 5. So that is 5y the whole cube. Clear? So next step for identity. X cube minus y cube will be equal to what? X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay. So our formula x cube minus 5y the whole cube. Substitute here. And this x is replaced by x itself and y is replaced by 5y. That's only difference. Okay. So here x minus y replaced by 5y. Okay. Into x square plus x is x itself, y is replaced by 5y plus y is replaced by 5y the whole square. So that is equal to x minus 5y into x square plus 5xy plus 25y square. That is our answer. Hope you clear this question. Then one more question of this type I will do. So please write down the next one. Yes, 64 x cube y cube minus 1. So first you will be confused which idea should be used. All are cubes. One cube is what? 1 itself. So how can we write that? 64 x cube y cube minus 1 will be equal to 64 is the cube root of 4. So 4xy the whole cube minus 1 cube. 1 cube or 1 you can write. Okay. So what's our formula? X cube minus y cube is equal to x minus y into x square plus xy plus y square. Okay. So our question is 4xy the whole cube minus 1 cube is equal to x replaced by 4xy, y replaced by 1. So 4xy minus 1 into 4xy the whole square plus 4xy into y replaced by 1 plus 1 square. So that will be equal to what? 4xy minus 1 into 4 square is what? 16 x square y square. 4 square you have to take, x square you have to take, y square. Okay. Then plus 4xy into 1 is 4xy itself plus 1 square is 1 itself. So this will be our answer. So please write down this one also. Next one is find the following product using suitable identities. Okay, first one is 3x plus 4y into 9x square minus 12xy plus 16y square. Two methods are there. One is you can open the bracket and do, but here the question is using what suitable identity. So you have to use the identity. So can you guess which identity will be here? Yes, just one look. X plus y form. Here x square. X is what we take it as 3x, is it? So 3x the whole square is what 9x square. So with this we can write 3x the whole square. And here 4y. 4y the whole square is what? 16y square, is it? So 4y the whole square. So which identity should be here? Yes, x cube plus y cube. So shall we done? Yes. So for that purpose what you have to do is, first of all you have to write what x changes to what? 3x and y changes to what? 4y. Okay. So how can we write that? X plus y into x square minus xy plus y square will be equal to what? X cube plus y cube. Clear? So that is x can be written as what? X changes to what? 3x, is it? So 3x plus 4y into x square. X square means what? Here x is what? 3x, is it? So 3x the whole square minus x replaced to 3x. 3x into y replaced to what? 4y plus 4y the whole square will be equal to what will be our answer? X cube, that is 3x the whole cube plus 4y the whole cube. Again you want to verify whether the answer is 12. Here we got 12xy, is it? So 3 into 4 is 12xy you already got. So that will be equal to what? 3x the whole cube is, 3 cube is what? 27. X cube plus 4 cube is what? 64 y cube. So our answer is what? 27 x cube plus 64 y cube. One thing you have to remember is you have to write this step. This step you have to mention. Otherwise, just you can write it. This one cube will be our answer. So that is no need, not correct. You have to write the steps also. Okay, so please write down this. One more question of this step I will do. Listen here. Yes, please do this. Yes, next one is 2x square minus 1 into 4x raised to 4 plus 2x square plus 1. So how can we apply that? Yes, here x changes to what? 2x square and y changes to 1. So our formula is what? X minus y into x square plus xy plus y square will be equal to what? X cube. Here sign is negative. So minus y cube. So that is x changes to what? 2x square. So 2x square minus 1 into 2x the whole square. Then plus x changes to 2x square into y changes to 1 plus 1 square. Is it? So that will be equal to, please you want to check whether you write the correct one or not. So 2x square minus 1, here 4x is 2 square is what? 4. Sorry, 2x square, yes. 2 square is 4. Then here x replaced to what? 2x square. So 2x square the whole square will come. So x raised to 4 will come. Then x raised to x square into 1 is 2x square, then plus 1. So the answer will be what? X cube. X is what? 2x square. So 2x square the whole square. Sorry, whole cube minus 1 cube. So what is 2 cube? 8. X raised to square. The whole raised to 3 is what? X raised to 6 minus 1. So this will be our answer. Okay, that's all the textbook problems and the homework questions I will be including the textbook exercise. Okay, so that's end of this section. Next video is based on the additional problems based on this algebraic expressions and identities. Okay, so please write down this, and Saturday or Sunday I will put the additional questions based on the full chapter. Okay, I will put in WhatsApp. So those who are interested can do it, and answers also I will give you. So please, those who are interested can do it, because all the important questions I will discuss in the class itself. And if anyone need additional one, that is improving your math skill or you are interested, then those students can do it, and if anyone have not, you can ask me. All are based on this type only. Some questions may be different. Okay, so please write on this and do watch the next part video. So that is important questions that will be based on the examination point of view. Okay, so see you in the next video. Bye.